Hi, Knee-High kids. My name is Miss Porter, and welcome back to Knee-High Circle Time. How are you today? So today's class, we're going to talk about alphabets. Can you say your alphabets? Can you identify or see your alphabets and know what they are? We're going to talk about that today. But before we start, let's do a sing-along song. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I hope you're feeling fine. I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? I hope you're feeling fine. Very good. Good job. All right, so let's get started with these alphabets. Our first alphabet letter is A. This is the letter A. Can you say the letter A? A. B. This is the letter B. Can you say B? B. C. This is the letter C. Can you say C? C. D. Can you say D? This is the letter D. E. This is the letter E. Can you say E? F. F. G. G. H. H. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. Very good. Now you notice we said those letters double. We said them 2 times because there are 2 letters on our alphabet board. There's a mama letter, A, and then there's a baby letter, A. So there are 2 types of alphabets. It's the same alphabet, but it's 2 ways. So see, this is a mama B, and that's a baby B. A daddy C, and a baby C. See? So there are 2 types. That's why we said them twice. Okay, now we're going to sing a song of alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we said our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, let's say it again. Now we're going to sing it together. This time we're going to point to them, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we said our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Did you like that? Very good. Good job. So we said our ABCs and we pointed to our ABCs, which is identifying them. So our next lesson, we're going to draw some of the alphabets, okay? So I want you to get some paper and pencil, or you can get a newspaper, a crayon. You can use a paper bag, anything that you can draw on. But don't write on mommy and daddy's walls, okay? Or grandma and granddaddy's walls, okay? All right. So since you did so good today, you get a balloon. 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 A shiny balloon. Isn't this pretty? That's for you. Good job. Now, we're going to do an unboxing. Are you ready to see what toy we have today? This toy is called Crazy Legs Learning Bugs. This is by VTech. And this toy is at Walmart. And it retails for $19.88 at Walmart for the parents. And I know my friends, we want to go ahead and get into it. I am a friendly ladybug. You hear? Singing. Won't you come and have some fun? All right, so she wants us to have some. Learn with me. She wants us to come learn with her. So let's open her up. Remember what I told you about the scissors. Always hold your scissors like this and always get the help of an adult.
The sun is shining. Can you find the sun?
All right. Let's see if we can slide her out. All right, so this is for ages 2 to 5 years. And then what she does is you can sort and learn. And then it has pop up and play. Oh, and also for the parents that are listening, it has a gift for you, which is Amazing Adventures for Young Learners, a 1-month free subscription starting at $7.99 a month. And you can start your free trial today. So that's good to know. An extra learning engine along with the actual toy. Let's see if we can turn these little screws around. There we go. Okay. Oh, it has a cute little string so you can pull her along. All right, let's take the sticker off the top. Oh, now we have to take off the little items on the side. These are the little learning items that fit inside of the Ladybug. All right. So let's take her out. Oh, isn't she pretty? She has all of the colors of the rainbow. And these different shapes have numbers on them. Okay, so it teaches you shapes, numbers, and fine motor skills. All right. Let's turn it on. Now it has three different digital functions. So let's see what this does. Let me stick this in here.
I love playing with you and my mommy.
Oh, look, that's the mommy. So this is the baby one.
I have black spots on my back.
Oh, look at that. Let's see what happens.
I love playing with you and my mommy.
All right. So let's match this shape up with the heart.
Yellow heart.
Okay. And then
Orange triangle.
Okay.
Blue square.
Okay.
Purple circle. Great. Yay!
Yay. Okay, let's see what else she does.
Butterfly. The butterfly has 2 wings.
Wow. Gives you some
Butterfly.
more information.
Caterpillar. The caterpillar has lots of legs. Caterpillar.
Okay, now let's go to the singing function.
When I travel very long.
See, y'all can jam with this. Okay.
Won't you sing along?
Oh, we didn't do this one. Let me see what this one does. That's a little fishy on the side. Oh, this is for like for the parents. That's like motor skills. So you can just turn this up. They can turn this up and down. Let me see what the worm does. Yeah, so they can turn the different functions up and down. Let me see what else Miss Crazy Legs Learning Bug does. Okay, so she plays music. So this is more of motor skill development. I didn't even know that was going to happen. So you push the ladybug and all of the little shapes fall out, which is cute. And then I guess they'll just put them back in. Oh, yep, that's what happens. They all fall out. And then he's going to sing again. Oh my goodness, I know this song. I just can't remember the words. Okay, let me see. All right, I'm pushing the inside of where the shapes were. So I guess it'll just sing a different song every time. Some of these melodies are very familiar. And I'm just... It has 2 sing-along songs and 15 melodies, all right? Okay, so that's pretty neat. And look, y'all have a little string so you can pull it around because it rolls. It rolls when you pull it. Look at that. I'm rolling, so I guess it sings while you're pulling. So with not also just the music for the parents, it's teaching the kids interaction. You know, so just to capture their attention, and it also helps with their motor skills where they can turn. Oh, look at this! Look at the thing. See, I didn't even know that. So she turns. Okay. Let me see if she does anything else, y'all. I guess that's it. Yeah, and these little mechanisms, that kind of, sometimes that sends melody. Okay. I'm going to say goodbye to Miss Ladybug. Let's let her sing. So, you can get Miss Ladybug at Wally World. And she's the Crazy Legs Learning Bug. Yeah. Well, it's time to say goodbye. And I am so thankful and happy that you came by to visit us with our circle time. And I hope you come back. We're going to draw our alphabets, okay? The next time we're going to do drawing, all right? So it's been a pleasure. Oh my goodness, why do I always keep forgetting my class? Rex and Ava, did you enjoy the class today? Miss Porter, you're always forgetting us. So Rex and Ava and I, thank you for coming, and we're all sending you a squeeze. Give me a tight, tight hug. Thank you for coming. So come back again. Bye-bye now.